Pioneers in sociology. As a scholarly discipline, sociology was emerged shortly after the French Revolution. As a social science, the subject matter of sociology is society and its relationships. Here we proudly present the pioneers and their contribution to society. Auguste Comte, who laid the foundation of sociology, acclaimed as the father of sociology. He was born at Montpellier, France on 19 January 1798. His parents were very humble, law-abiding and highly religious. As a youth, Comte was a critic of Napoleon and disliked both parental and religious authority. He never received a college-level degree. His main contributions to sociology are positivism, law of three stages, hierarchy of sciences, social statics and social dynamics. Positive philosophy is one of his famous works that was written in 1851. He breathed his last on 5th September 1857. Herbert Spencer was a prominent British social thinker of the 19th century. He is often called the second founding father of sociology. Spencer was born on 27th April 1820 in Derby, England in a middle-class family. Due to his ill health, he could not go to any conventional school. He received some education from his father. Like Comte, Spencer also never earned a university degree. His main contribution to sociology are theory of social evolution, organic analogy, and social Darwinism. Spencer published his best work, The Principle of Psychology, in 1855. He also wrote some other books like First Principles, 1862, Principle of Biology, Principles Sociology in 1876 to 96, period in 3 volumes, The Study of Sociology, 1872. Due to mental and physical illness, he died on December 8, 1903 at the age of 83. Emile Durkheim, a very successful social scientist. Emile Durkheim was born in Epinal, France in April 15, 1858. He was born in Jewish family with good background. Durkheim was very impatient with excessive stress regarding the partiality prevalent in the French higher education field. The most prominent area of his interest was moral education. His main contribution to sociology are the theory of social facts, the division of labor in society, rules of sociological method published in 1885, suicide published in 1897, the elementary forms of religious life in 1912. He was totally disappointed with the moral degeneration of French society and died on November 15, 1970 at the age of 59. Max Weber was a sociologist born in a rich Protestant family on 21st April 1864 in Erfurt in Germany. His mother believed in Calvinist group. The increasing tension between his parents affected Weber's feelings and sentiments deeply. Sociology remains ever grateful to Max Weber for his memorable contributions, such as The Protestant Ethics and The Spirit of Capitalism published in 1930, The Sociology of Religion 1963, and The City was published in 1958. His main theories are theory of social action, Western method, ideal types, and the theory of religion, which include Protestant ethics and spirit of capitalism. Karl Marx. I think it is injustice to mention Karl Marx, a great philosopher, economist, historian, sociologist, political theorist, and socialist revolutionary. Karl Marx was born in Trier, Germany on 5th May 1818. His major contribution was The Capital, the first volume of which came out in 1867. The Communist Manifesto 1848, The Poverty of Philosophy 1847, The German Ideology 1845 are his main contribution in this field. His main theories are dialectical materialism, economic determinism, and class conflict. He is known to the world as the architect of socialism and the champion of communism. He died in London on March 14, 1883. Karl Marx was a dreamer and a socio-political prophet.